Hi everyone, in today's video we will see Mint Mobile Port Out Guide, Mint Mobile account number and transfer pin. Pre-request to port out the Mint Mobile. Gather personal information, exact name in the current account, note down the phone number you want to transfer, your current service provider name, find your Mint Mobile account number, get port pin and password from the Mint Mobile phone number transfer, have your billing address and zip code ready. Verify there are no blocks or restriction on your account. Confirm all the balance with the Mint Mobile are paid off. How to get Mint Mobile account number? Method 1. Using text message. You can easily retrieve your account number from the Mint Mobile by dialing 611 directly from your Mint Mobile phone. Method 2. Using website. Go to the Mint Mobile website and open the live chat feature. In the chat, type account number and select the prompt to port out. You will be connected to a customer service representative who can provide your account number and PIN. Method 3. Using the customer support. Alternatively, for further assistance or for if you prefer to contact the Mint Mobile customer service directly, you can reach them out. This way, you can promptly access the information you need regarding your account number with the Mint Mobile. How to get the Mint Mobile account transfer PIN. For your PIN, you will need to request a number transfer PIN from Mint. To obtain the port out PIN from Mint, you must contact their support via chat or by calling. On the chat, provide the account number and click on the port out option to get the required information. Your number transfer PIN is created by Mint and at your request, send it to you via the text message. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel.